The Low Rider ST all hype. Is it a bust? Is it even worth it? Get on the bike and talk about it. Oh, the sticker, I gotta take it off. Welcome back to another video. Nice little shot right here of the Low Rider ST. Just finished wrapping up this video talking about another topic, so that video should be up already. Check that out. Talking about the 5 beginner mistakes that people do at times when buying a motorcycle. And we ended up here. But look at this beautiful view of the George Washington Bridge. The underbelly of the bridge. It's beautiful. They're doing a ton of work over here, a ton of repairs. And we got the Hudson River here separating New Jersey and New York. I don't know if you can see down there, you see all the skyscrapers. It's a beautiful view, man. It's a gorgeous day. High of 75, 76, 78 at the moment. It's gonna keep getting a little warmer throughout the day. And we're in October, man. You cannot complain about 70 or 80 degrees weather in October in New Jersey. You gotta love it. But anyways, here we have my 2024 Low Rider ST in that beautiful tobacco fade. You got the sun hitting the paint right now. And I don't know if the camera's gonna capture everything, but you have that glistening sparkle in there with different tones of that brown, orangey, and root beer color. Just a beautiful paint job, man. Harley did such a good job. Do a little walk around on the bike, then we'll talk about a little bit more about this bike, because this bike gets a lot of attention, as it should, because it's such a beautiful designed bike. And especially when you add a bunch of stuff more into it, it just becomes even better. Just everything about it. That fairing in the front with that nostalgic feel to it, that 80s feel to it, that retro look with a modern twist, which is what I love. I love that about this bike. And the way the Milwaukee 8 engine fits in there, it's beautiful. I love how Harley Davidson just builds around the engine. They cradle it in, but still so visible, still in your face, and it's such a beautiful design engine at that. I love the Milwaukee 8. It's gorgeous. You have the detachable bags in the back, which are super easy to use. Open up, lock them up. They come off in 30 seconds. Such a customizable bike, as you can see with everything that we've done here. Now the question of the day is the Low Rider ST all hype? Is it a bust? Is it even worth it? Let's get on the bike and talk about it. Now, as much love as this bike gets, it also gets a lot of hate at times. Believe me, just scroll through the comments of my videos. You'll see it, you'll read it. Wow, look at this view. So nice. You have a lot of people talking about all the positives about the bike, some negative, whatever they may be. It's hard for me to find any. I tried to make a video last week talking about some of the negatives and why you shouldn't get this bike, and I really can't find any. It's all kind of like bullshit points. At the end of the day, it's a really, really good bike. But is it all hype? Is it something that's only cool right now, or has been cool for the last 2 years, and will it keep being cool next year or for the next 5 years to come? Or once again, is it all hype? I don't think it's hype. I think this bike is amazing. Probably, if not the best offering from the Harley Davidson catalog. One of their best offerings. When you talk about softails, you look at this and you look at the Street Bob. Those are the first bikes that come to mind right away. Even though there are some other great options, but people tend to look at these right away because of the classic look and feel they have, and because of everything they have to offer. They're really good bikes. I think this bike is going to continue to dominate in the softail realm, and even beyond that. I think this bike might even take away some sales away from the Road Glide and Street Glide next year for 2026 because of its price point. Because you could get a bike like this and spend $23,000 to $25,000 on it, rather than almost $30,000 on a bagger, and still be able to do everything that a bagger does. As comfortably, no. But the fact that you're gonna have the option to do the same exact thing on a lighter bike, faster bike, smaller frame, is a plus in my eyes. This bike has been like the cool bike for the past few years. It's been the cool thing to have. And rightfully so. Deserves to be. Not because someone or anyone has made it cool, but because it just simply is. It's a great bike. Let's take a picture of this real quick. Little picture over here. I think there's a lot more to it than being just hype. I think it's a great offering. The bike is phenomenal. There's so much you can do to it. And even though it's been the cool thing to have in the past few years, it's for a reason. And that's what I'm kind of trying to get at, that it's not all hype. The bike is as good as everyone says it is. It's a phenomenal bike, man. It's great. I think a lot of the changes that Harley has made in the past few years on most of the motorcycles are really good. A lot of great changes when it comes to design, performance, the tech, suspension, just all around. They're just better bikes. And this bike in particular, it's a great bike. So, I'm not sure if you guys agree with me or not, but do you guys kind of see that or feel that at times where people talk about the Low Rider ST and just say that, oh, well, no, it's all hype. The bike is okay, but it's just all hype. The reason why I'm talking about this today is because I've heard it a few times already, and I'm like, I don't think so, buddy. I think you're wrong there. But what's everyone's opinion on this bike? Do you guys still think going into 2026 that it's going to have the crown? I made a video last week as well talking about that. Will this bike still have its crown that it did last year? Sorry? Oh, it's a sticker. I gotta take it off. I'll take it off. I honestly think that this bike will continue to dominate for the next few years. So is it all hype? Hell no. Drop your thoughts and your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this subject right here. I'm gonna keep enjoying my day. Hope you do yours as well. And like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.